Hello friends, today I'll be showing you a quick video on how to send multiple photos on WhatsApp. So let's get started. You tap on the WhatsApp icon on your iPhone home screen or on your Android home screen to open the app. Then you navigate to the chat with the contact or the group you want to send the photos to. Then you tap on the plus icon located to the left of the text input feed. This will open the main media selector. You tap on Photos and Video Library to select photos from your phone gallery. Then you long press on a photo and tap Select to select multiple photos. So you can select as many photos as you want to. Selected photos will have a blue check mark on them. After selecting all the photos you want to send, tap on the next button at the top right corner of the screen. You can add captions or descriptions to the photos if you want by typing it in the text input field. Then you tap on the send button or the enter button at the bottom right corner of the phone to send the selected photos to the contact or the group. This way, you have successfully sent multiple photos on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful and would like to see more of this, like, share and subscribe for more content. Bye.